Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So me G's them right now. It's a next vlog, it's a next day, it's a beautiful day. Blessings and respect to the Lord for bless us and give us this day. You know what I mean? So right now we're there. And today is actually Sunday, but I don't know when I will get this Monday. So right now I just link Chabas. Chabas him no know what time I found over here. If I'm found over here today, so today Sunday, so it's only right. I prepare a Sunday meal, right? So yeah, I'm gonna prepare a Sunday meal and I'm gonna go party today. So yeah man, we're there and we are doing it for the vlog. I don't know me Jesus and big up on yourself. Yesterday I dropped a story. When they tell me so I have trouble I hear this story. The thing was I recorded with my phone. Yeah, so for right now though me about for more I got French fries some chicken today, so it's French fry chicken, rice and peas, and probably some potato salad, probably something like that, something light, something regular. You know what I mean? Sunday. And we there, we are going to mud up my thing, so follow me to the kitchen. Yo, my G's, so right now, I just clean out my chicken, wash it off with some vinegar. Time now for me season up my chicken. Cause remember me always, yes, when me a fry chicken, I always boil it first. Like me season it up and boil it so that way the season soak into the meat itself. The season soak in the chicken, not only the crust. So, cause you know all the people chicken when they taste them fried chicken are just the crust season, but the chicken fresh itself. When I season it and boil it now, that allow the season for soaking at the meat, soaking at the bone. So when you bite the bone and you taste flavor and seasoning. So I always like boil my chicken before. Not only that too, but you cut down per oil, cause you do that and you drop it in your oil. It done cook already, so you just fry it up crisp to where you like it and it done. Yeah, but for right now, I'm showing you throw some more water. You don't need much, cause you just basically season the chicken basically. Can use our time. You even have to cut up it and you just, you know. Pepper, you can cut up a pepper, depends on if you like pepper or not. Me want the chicken taste a little oomphy, so I'm gonna boil a pepper in it. I cut up a pepper in it, look. Time, you don't need more than this. This amount of time. Good. And you can't left out the onion. Onion I get the extra oomph, you know? Onion good for no too. I don't know where good for, but good for no. Pimento! Remember I boil it, I boil so you can cook with pimento. Pimento good, pimento. Pimento is great. Pimento give your food a different taste. All purpose grace. Now if you put too much, you know. This, me don't know why I take out this for, cause this salt like salt. And now all you do is just rub in all your seasoning, you know. That's all you have to just rub in your seasoning, cause I go just add this to a pot, put water in it and just let it for boil. So all of the seasoning, the pepper, everything I go soak in the meat and it go soak in the bone. It go take less time to fry and all of them good something. It's just better when you boil the chicken. So yeah, I put on this on the pot on the stove for go and boil and then start deal with the rice. So I'm gonna check on it. So right now you don't know, so the rice pot there. Rice pot a simmer down. Me about to wash my rice now and put in it. And in the pot here the chicken a boil. See what I mean? So right now a time for wash my rice. Me never think me need no more rice than this. Me about suppose me go sell it while all of this is turn over. I would have bex because I don't have to clean it up. But right now a rice time, I go wash this and put in the pot, then you don't know the steam something there go. Everything else good. The big pot of the chicken in it, so I'm about to turn off that in a couple minutes. I just go feel them and see if the chicken them boil already, and I turn off that, but my rice pot ready, so I guard my rice and forward back. What we basically do is make the dip up the chicken in a fry it. We just make the base feet right now. All we basically need is flour. We don't need no more than this because there's not enough chicken with it though. We just need some all-purpose seasoning. Now I mean this is a basic crust of your chicken basically. You can add paprika in it if you want your chicken a little bit spicy. So this is all you need basically. Now the base for your chicken good. Me now normally when I take up my chicken out of the water, I dip it in this and then I dip it in an egg and then double dip it again in the crumbs, so it kinda so right now with the pan track, all I chicken them done base. You know what I mean? Flour up and everything. And everything and everything and everything and everything. Right now, I wait for my pot for hot. I just put on my pot, I wait for my pot for hot. Then I add my oil. Then frying commands. Right now the rice is steam, you know. No look too bad. Just start steam. Heat around 35 more minutes and it's done. So right now we just take out them out of the pot. Fried chicken well nice and golden, you know. Looking all scrumptious and lumptious. And over here, remember our rice and peas they are still a simmer. Potato salad, but if I peel my potato them and throw in this, and now when the water boil up, some chicken just done like one and look how pretty look and delicious. It just makes sense me tasty. So delicious. It burned me. Good guys. No oil, well soaked, chicken cooked, well soaked. It burned me again. Don't have good food in your mouth. The rest of them just done. You know what I mean? So we're up on track. I just put in my potato them. So when that done, link up back again. See, you don't know, so the gravy alone left right now. Cause everything basically done. The gravy me I wait for done. Rice done, I just slack off my rice pot, cause my rice pot land. I done fried chicken long time, I don't put the chicken in the microwave. Potato salad, I done my potato salad in the fridge. So what I gonna do now is kinda clean up. Well, me da clean up as me da cook, so right now 2 pot alone in this. Well, 1 pot alone in this of wash, and that's it. 1 pot, 1 spoon and 1 knife, that's it. Because me da clean up everything, so for now, I'm just gonna wash out that. And when the gravy are done in like 10 minutes, I go share my food and consume it. And Chabas about to come link me after. It look like rain a go fall. Me actually see lightning and flash and be a thunder, so I don't know if Chabas are the road, but yeah man, me there man. It's a good Sunday, it's a blessed Sunday. Up it, no pity. Yo my Jesus, I don't know, so dinner done cook you know. Delicious. Rice looking 6. Chicken looking 6. Mashed potato. Plantain, if you say, looking 6. Yo my G's. The rice bad. The potato salad bad. When you see me eat the chicken like while the chicken bad, taste beside right plantain. Oh my lord. Chop my mouth a leak.
Oh, Chris, you think I can keep up? Where are you?
Yo. Baba.
Oh, pity.
You know, so I think I Ricky would have rush and go out.
Rush me? Ricky can't rush the door.
Yeah,
So sick.
Chris.
I have
Chris not go for that, no. 6. Yeah, man, chef up a liquor, chef up a liquor.
You see what going?
Yeah, sweet, yeah, too. Alright. Alright. Pick from now, you know, Ricky. 6 or 6, you know.
I'm afraid feet over here.
No, dog.
Not no way off your wife.
He wouldn't do it right now.
True, and that me said too.
you're not gonna do it
And that me said too.
You're gonna get it though.
And that me said too.
How which month we now?
You know, so me no know.
July.
How am I going to reach if you give blue?
No, that me I said.
Me no give boy no food, you know, me left me food upon stove.
In cook the food.
Me no give him none, me no offer him none.
I'm going to the gym tomorrow morning.
Go do it.
No, go to exercise.
Sigh.
Jesus.
Some of G's them Chabas just gone home. You don't know, say, me there right now. Want go all fresh for the night. Again. Want go all next fresh and then want load on them to the computer so we can wake up early in the morning and edit the vlog here so we can have it for watch tomorrow. You know what I mean? Yo, my G's. Chabas prank me wicked. And we are gonna get him back. Me still in the bathroom, in and out, but we are gonna get him back. We are gonna get him back. We have to prank him back. He come here this evening, don't make him trick, you know. Him did eat food, but him think me that go do something to the food or you think me I waste my food, you're mad? Nope. And me not prank him. Only not gonna know when the prank come. So basically him not gonna know when the prank come. Me can't do it now because now him a look out for a prank. You know what I mean? So if me do it now, him kinda go figure it. You know what I mean? So no video now do. No prank now do on Chabas for right now. As in today, tomorrow. You know what I mean? We don't know when it happen, but it happen. It have to happen, my G's. The prank war is on. Team Chabas versus the whole of my G's them. Yo, from one of my G's are me who know fi say. No one can say no one say, but you don't know. Team Famous, Team Chabas, big up on yourself. My G's them. Right now, I go just edit the vlog here and put it up tomorrow so I have something for watch. You understand? Today was a nice chill Sunday. It was a nice chill vibes. Right now, as I say, I go all fresh. load on them video to the computer, get up early morning, edit it, so now get it for watch. Big up on yourself again, my G's. Remember, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Alright, up it, mad move.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them, I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.